Spoken. One more time. We will understand the two things because we are right now we are speaking in English. Right now we are speaking in as well as GK. Right, bro? Get that point? Let me ask you a simple question. What's the name of your country? Where is the capital of India? What is the name of your state? Where is the capital of Bihar? What is the capital of Bihar? Right? I started to speak. Just focus on me now, quickly, highly alert. Tell me. That's great. Understand now, everybody. Keep watching me. Now, let me ask you, how many states are there in your country? 28 states are there. Okay. Now, look at the board. Look at me. Look at me. Okay, the next question. Let me just write the next question. Just tell me, what's your name? That's great. What's your father's name? Okay, the next question. Tell me, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Okay, the next question I'm gonna write on the board, and you will just okay. Next question. What is the full form of PM? PM. If somebody asking you what is the full form of, what is the short form of chief minister, then you will say CM. What is the short form of prime minister? You will say PM. One second. Let me ask you the question now. Somebody asking you the question, what is the full form of PM? Then you will say prime minister. What is the full form of CM? Then you will say. You got the point? Okay. Who is the prime minister of our country? Who is the chief minister of our country? Sorry, who is the chief minister of our state? Nitish Kumar is the chief minister of our Bihar. Also, we can say that Nitish Kumar is the chief minister of our state, right? Two things we can say that. Nitish Kumar, we will say, is the CM of our state. Yeah, if somebody asking you, Nitish Kumar and K, okay? I've written here shortly, okay? Nitish Kumar is the CM of our state, or also we can say Nitish Kumar is the CM of Bihar. We can write this one, and K is the CM of Bihar, right, Ram? So how many things we can say? Two things we can say that. How many things we can say? Two things we can say that. I'm sorry. Nitish Kumar is the CM of Bihar. What is the meaning of the CM here? What is the meaning of what is the meaning of the PM? Can I move? Okay, guys, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Everybody, keep watching this. Keep watching me. Now we will learn something. Okay, now we will learn something about the watch. Okay, today we will learn something about the watch, watch clock. Okay. Now before this one, let me ask you a simple question. Now let me ask you a simple question. Can I ask you? Okay, everybody, keep watching the board. How many days in a so somebody no, one second. Is somebody asking you how many days are there in a week? How many days in a week? Or we can say how many days are there? How many? We will say that how many? How days are there in a. So we will say two things. There are 7 days in a week. There are. Answer we will just write here. There 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Or also we can say, yeah, two things. Second we can say a week. What will you say, guys? 7 days. One more time. Guys, two things we can say. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. One more time, guys. In a. Or second we can say a week has 7 days. How many days? If somebody asking you the question that how many days are there in a week or how many days in a week, somebody asks you two ways to ask the question. How many days in a week or how many days in a are there in a week? Okay, two things we can say that how many days in a week or we can say how many days are there in a week. Getting a point, guys? So we will say there are 7 days in a week or a week has two ways to ask the question and two ways to give the answer, right? Two ways to ask the question. So we can ask the question, ask the question by two ways. We can ask the question by two ways. We can ask the question by two ways. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? There are you got the point, guys? The two things we can say. Don't put your nose. Don't put your finger in your nose. Don't do that. What I'm telling you now, I'm just telling you there are two ways to give the answer. There are two ways to give the answer. I'm telling you now. Don't do that, everybody. Let me tell you now. You will say, sir, there are two ways to give the answer. How many ways? There are two ways to give the answer. You getting a point? How many ways? Don't one second, one second, one second. Don't speak anything. Don't speak anything. There are two ways to give the answer. There are two ways to give the answer. So we will say, sir, there are 7 days in a, or simply we can say, did you understand that? Did you understand that? Okay, guys, let me tell you now what I'm telling you. Let me tell you now. Now, next we have how many days? How? Speak, guys. How many days in a month? How many days are there in a month? Now there are two ways to ask the question here. Again now, how many days in a month? How many days in a month? How many days in a month? How many? Oh. How many days are there? How many days are there in a month? So both are the questions. Both are the questions. One more time. Both are the questions. Here we can say, or we will say that, sir, both are the questions. Both are the questions. How many days in a month? How many days are there in a month? You getting a point? One more time. How many days in a month? How many days are there in a month? You getting a point? So to give the answer of this question, we will say, no. There are 30 days in a Month. A month has once 30 days. Listen now. Actually, sir, actually, you will say, sir, some month has 30 days, some month has 29 days, some month has 28 days, some month has 31 days. Why you're saying that? Actually, why you're saying? One second, Abeda. Listen. How many days in a month? How many days are there in a month? Both the questions are valid. I mean, both the questions are correct. Somebody can ask this way, somebody can ask this way, right? Somebody can ask you the question like this way, somebody can ask you the question like this way, right? So let me tell you now. You can say there are 30 days in a month. A month has 30 days. A month has. Somebody will say, or some of you, some of the students here will say that. So there are 30 days in a month. A month has 30 days. But even if somebody wants to say, sir, I wanna actually, what is the correct answer? You will say there are 30 days in a month. Case closed. Answer is correct. But give me some more additional information about the month. Then you will say some month has 30 days, some month has 31 days, and some month has 28 days. Okay. Now 29, there is a one month, and it comes after every four years. Okay. So this 2026 February, it is 20 bhai, it is the year 2026. It is the year 2026, right? Wrong? Yeah, so this is the year of 2026. Now in this year, the number of days in the February this month will be 28 days. How many days? 20 days. Getting a point? Getting a point? So next, yeah, let the Ramzan first be started, and then you will ask about the Eid al-Fitr. Nonsense. Till now, the Ramzan did not start. Till now, let it be start now. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let me just ask you the question now. Let me ask you the question. Somebody asks you the question, how many days are there in a week? Then you will say there are 7 days in a week. Or also we can say there a week has. We can ask the question by two ways. I mean, this type of questions can be asked by two ways. By two ways. Somebody can ask the question like this way. Somebody can ask the question like this way. Similarly, in case of the month, how many days in a month? You can ask the question like this way. How many days are there in a month? Also, you can ask the question like this way. Getting a point? So, what is the answer of this question? There are 30 days in a month. A month has 30 days. A month has 30 days. Did you understand that, guys? So, how many days are there? How many days are there to ask the question? How many ways are there to ask the question? Two ways are there to ask the question. Somebody can ask the question. Somebody can, how many days in a month? How many days are there in a month? You understand the point? So, guys, everybody, you come here, Amir. Amir, come here. Read out the question. Read out the question. Two number.
How many days in a month?
Okay. Second way.
How many days are there in the month? In a month?
Answer.
There are 30 days in a month.
Hmm.
A month has 30 days.
A month has
30 days.
30 days. One more time.
How many days in a month?
Hmm.
How many days are there in a month?
Go and sit down. Mustafa, come here. Read out two number.
Number two. How many days in a month? How many days are there in a month?
Yeah.
Answer. There are 30 days in a month. A month has 30 days.
You tell me. What is this?
Question.
What is this?
Answer.
Yeah. Speak. So
Sir,
there are two ways
there are two ways
to
to
ask the question,
ask the question.
and there are two ways
And there are two ways
to give the answer.
to give the answer.
You understand the point?
Yes.
For example, let me ask you, how many days in a month? Which answer you will say?
There are 30 days in a month.
Understood? Go and sit down. So, guys, we understood today. What we understood today? How many days are there in a month? Okay. Then we will say 30 days. How many days? 30 days. You got the point? Sana, come here. Come here. Read out.
How many days in a week?
Yeah.
How many days are there in a month?
Yeah.
There are 30 days in a month.
Yeah.
A month has 30 days.
That's correct. How many ways are there to read out to say the question? How many ways? Two ways. And how many ways are there to give the answer? Two ways, right? That's correct. Just tell me what all these are. I mean, what is this? What is this? Question or answers? No, I'm asking you. Both are questions or both are answers? What is this? I'm talking about this one. This one. Questions. Speak loudly. Both are. Let's speak loudly. Both are. Yeah. And both are. One more time. Hmm. Go and sit down. So guys, this is a way to say that. Okay. Now, in this time, what we learn here, we will say that. Everybody, keep watching. Keep learning. Keep learning. Keep learning. You will say so, but some months have 31 days. Some months have 31 days. Getting a point? Also, we can say some months have 30 days. Some month has 28 days. Like this way, we can say that. Getting a point? Yeah, beta? Yeah, 29. Actually, 29 is when the leap year comes now. Then 29 happens. Otherwise, 28 days. Huh? It will come 2028. 2028. After 2 years. It is 2026. When the 2028, then the month of February will be 29 days. It will have 29 days. But right now, after it comes after every 4 months. 4 years. I'm sorry? 28 days. Yeah, this February will have 28 days. Listen now, what you're talking to each other. We are talking now. You're talking to each other. What name? Yeah, today, 18th of February. 18th of February today. So guys, everybody. So some months have 31 days. Some months have 30 days. A month has one more time, has 28 days. Any problem? You got the point? You got the point? Let's go now. Let me ask you a question. Now, let me ask you a question. What comes, tell me guys, after March? If somebody asks you the question, what comes after March? Okay, what comes after March? If somebody asks you the question that, and anybody can ask you the question, like your father, your mother, your brother, your teacher, or your sister, anybody can ask you the question. Okay, and now somebody asks you the question that, what comes after March? Speak. We will say April. Tell me guys. Comes after. Understood the point? April comes after March. Speak. April comes. Yeah, after March, what comes, guys? You got the point? Okay, now if somebody asking you what comes, speak. What comes before February? Yeah, beta. That's a good question you're asking. Very good question. But right now, look at the board. What comes before February? One more time. He asked the great question. If somebody asks you what comes before February, then you will say, no. Hey, you will say January comes before. And the February shortly called Feb. It is called February shortly called FEB Feb. Okay. So, January comes before February. January comes before. Speak everybody. What comes before February? Somebody telling you or somebody asking you that what comes before February? What comes? Just tell me what will you say? January comes before February. Any problem? Can I move? Can I move? Okay, let's go to the next question. This February will have the 28 days. Next February, the when the, it will come to 2026, 2026, it will have the also 28 days. 27, 28, 28 days, 28 days will be there. But when the time will come 2028, then it will have the 29 days. You got the point, guys? Look at the board. Keep watching. Keep watching. Let me ask you a question. Can I ask you? Can I ask you a question? Okay. If somebody asking you how many parts of science, how many parts of how many parts of science? How many parts? Right now we are talking about the parts and also we can say the branch. Basically, in the basic class, I'm talking about the basic class. When the time will come, we will study a lot of things. But right now I'm talking the basic class. Actually, there are three parts. There are there are three parts. There are three parts. Three parts of science. Yeah, beta. Yeah, these are the parts of science as well, beta. But I'm just telling you right now. Don't say anything. But right, complete focus on the board. Read out how many parts of science. One more time. Speak. If somebody asks, actually, right now we are studying the basic class. We are studying the basic class. So that's why we are studying three parts. Otherwise, some other parts also, geology, no, some other botany, so many things are there. Actually, a lot of things are there. Listen, yaar, some other parts also there. But right now we are studying the basic class. That's why we will study only three parts. How many parts? Physics, chemistry, biology. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. So, guys, how many parts of the science right now? Now, put your eyes there on the board. PHYSICS. Physics. Read out. Your time is over today. You have to do the work. I mean, tomorrow I'm going to ask you the explain physics, chemistry, and biology. This is homework for you. Yeah, beta?